Morning mathematicians, and welcome to Poster Method Monday. I want to remind you that mathematicians can use the solve method to solve word problems by showing and explaining their thinking. So we're going to start by reading our problem, and as we're reading the problem, you need to start visualizing and making mental pictures in your mind. Try to picture what is happening in the story. Alan, read with me. Alan is measuring some of his toys. He has already measured 5 cars and 6 robots. He has 17 toys in all to measure. How many more toys does he need to measure? So let's go over our steps. So we're going to start by reading the problem. We're going to visualize what's happening. As you're visualizing, can you tell someone at home what you are seeing? Then we're going to read the problem again. Next, we're going to act out what's happening. You can act it out with someone at home. Our third step, we're going to read the problem again. Now you're going to question yourself. How are you going to solve the problem? What strategy or strategies are you going to use and why? Remember to choose at least 2 different strategies to show your thinking. Next, we're going to read the problem again once more. And then we're going to work independently for the next 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure we are verifying our plan with action. Our 5th step, we're going to reflect. We're going to take a look at our data sheet and write 2 or 3 sentences about what we did to solve the problem. Last, we're going to share. We're going to share our reflections with a family member. We can share our strategies. We can share our solutions. I want to remind you to make sure to keep working on your goal as you are solving your problem. Whether it is to study the problem, organize the facts by circling important information, lining up a plan and choosing 2 different strategies, verifying your plan with action by choosing another strategy, and examining your results to make sure that your answer makes sense. Just make sure that as you are working that you have a goal in mind. Follow those steps and good luck. I will see you later.